Hi everyone, I'm Andy. This is the channel Bikes, Blues and Rallies, and this is what we're waiting for, a new helmet. So I've had it a while now, so going to unbox it, see what we all get in the box. Those who know, I bought a helmet last summer, the start of the summer, bought the Rourke, the one with the eagle on it. After listening to other reviews on it, and everyone saying how great this helmet was. So I bought it before I went to Spain. Oh no, I bought it before I went to Scotland to do the NC 500. And we had one bad day where it rained, and the helmet rained in on the top. It leaked in through all the vents. Can't close the vents on it. The wind noise on it was unreal. It was just a shit helmet. 420 quid, it's worth about 120 quid all day long. So I said when I get home I'm going to buy a new helmet. So went out for a ride on the bike one Saturday afternoon, caught into the shop, seen one similar to this, tried it on, felt okay. So this one they didn't have in stock. So I had to order it in, and 4 days it took for it to come. So I'm going to see what all comes in the box. First of all, you get this here in the top. Don't know what this is. It's packaging, I think. Just a bit of packaging. I did get the completely blacked out. You can get a clear visor on a light smoked visor. This is a complete blacked out one. So that's that. I paid extra for that. I'll get the helmet out in a minute and see what else is in the box. What's in the box? We'll see. We've got the instructions for it, and it comes with a pin lock and the owner's manual guide. This is the helmet. Set this box down out of the way. Forgive me, I don't have a big donut to set it on, so I'll set it on here. So, it comes in this little bag. I'm sure by now you know what it is. It's a HJC. It's not a review on the helmet because I haven't worn this helmet yet. It's just an unboxing, put it together, and we'll get to test it out shortly, hopefully. But it comes in this nice bag, helmet bag, and this is the helmet. The HJC Alien. It's pretty light. Looks like it's made of good stuff. Nice padding inside it. Can't tell you a whole lot about it because I haven't worn it yet. But I do like the paint job on it. It has a vent on the front, open and close. Well, that's open, that's closed. Vents down here on the front of it. It has a vent on the here. It's got these little wheels on the top for opening and closing the vents here. And there's rubber on them, so it'll make it easier for you when you get your gloves on. It's got an exhaust out the back, let the hot air escape, draw the hot air out. This is a good thing, the lock in the, and it just lifts up that little crack to let a bit of air in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions on it. It's got this little breath guard here, so you're not breathing straight onto the visor. I think you can open and close the vent from the inside, can you? These ones on the side. No, maybe you don't. Oh yeah, you can. You can open and close the ones in there, so you can. So I think it looks good. Comes with a pin lock. Comes with this visor. Comes with a complete blacked out visor. So what we'll do is we'll try and take this one off, the clear one off, and get the black one on. See how it feels. First of all, I think we should try it on to make sure it fits. It says it weighs 1,450 grams. Get a look inside, let you have a look inside of here. Don't know if you'll be able to see or not in the dark. Get a look. I don't know if you can see, it's got the emergency release for the pads in case you have an accident. Chin guard, I think that comes off if you want to take that off. Chin curtain. Feels good stuff. So it does. Yeah, the padding definitely feels good inside it. Oh well, definitely tight, good strong tight fit. Doesn't feels a wee bit tight, but that's because it's brand new. It will padding hopefully will give a little bit, so it will. Definitely feels good, like. Don't feel any pressure, but just on my cheeks here. Yeah, it's closed down. You can open it. Yeah, it feels good. Just needs broken in, I say, for a couple of days, get it broken in. But we'll get this, we'll get the black visor on. See if we can get it over here. So this is the blacked out visor for it, so we'll get that on. See, it's got the double D ring on it, so it has. So yeah, it feels good. Let's get the black visor on, see what it looks like. I think you just to take off the visor. Take off this visor and you just push that little lever back, turn it around, hold on to it and pull this little lever. That's it off. So install the new one, trying not to get our fingers all over it. To install the new one, I think there's it lines up. Okay. Just hold that in place. Oh, it just clips in, sorry. Just clips in. On the same this side, is it? Let's see. That's it locked down. That's what it looks like. You'll see what the visor's like in this one. Oh yeah, you'll see it. Yeah, so that's the RPHA11 HJC Aliens helmet. So we'll have to install the pin lock in it yet, and we'll take it for a test ride when the weather picks up a bit, see what the sound's like on it. So that's the new helmet. Oh, I'm quite impressed with that. It looks the part. It can't be any worse than the RPHA. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that there. Right, so thanks for watching. I'll wrap it up now. We'll let you know how the helmet fares out, the good and the bad of it. I bought this helmet with my own money, so I'm not paid to say anything. It's just tell you the God's honest truth what I think of it. Look wise, I think it looks the part. So it'll look nice on my Harley, that one. And then I want to get a new helmet coming for when I'm on the Triumph. But I'll keep this one here for when I'm on the Harley. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit that little bell, that way you get a notification every time I put up a new video. It might be coming a little bit slow now, coming into the bad weather, but hopefully things will pick up soon. The weather will be good. We can get out the bikes more. Until then, ride safe. Thank you.